we needed something like this to support and kind of reinforce that presence of gratitude in this remote setting. We knew of a person and a software that were doing great things. So it was kind of just like a perfect storm, I would say, of let's make this happen. But in that process, we were kind of thinking about, what is important in this system, right? So it was going to happen, but it was kind of like, okay, what are we looking for out of this system? And so customization, I would say, was one of our like biggest things. Being able to kind of adjust the system to fit our needs more so than having to change our practices and processes and ideas for a system. So we've definitely found that in assembly and being able to, tailor our prize options, add and adjust different kind of allowances for different types of roles. I would say two of our own kind of like North Stars in building our software platform is our ease of use and simplicity. And so that's been ingrained in kind of my belief in software since joining the Upkeep team. And so I was really excited to find kind of both of those things in assembly as well. I'm our primary admin and both a user as well. So it's extremely easy to kind of do all of the different things that I need to do, whether it's add new people or set up new prizes or give somebody a shout out in a couple of different ways. It's really, really simple and straightforward. And I would say it's robust, but it's not overcomplicated. And then one more thing that kind of stood out about assembly for me was kind of the support that we received, both from Jonathan as well as from members of the assembly team throughout the sales process. It made me feel really confident in having kind of ongoing support as we needed throughout our life cycle with assembly.